Chiliz, CHC, is a computerized money for tokenizing sports and diversion. This is a blockchain innovation that permits you to make items for customary buyers. Chiliz was made by the socios.com stage to permit fans to collaborate all the more effectively with their number one groups. Cryptographic money gives fans the option to cast a ballot and the potential chance to take part in decision production for associations that join the socios.com stage. What's the deal with the Chiliz cryptographic money cost? Find out in Chiliz, CHC, cost expectation for 2020 to 2025. Crucial worth fan tokens are an authority crypto token that contains the marking of associate games groups. With the assistance of tokens, fans get the option to cast a ballot and the chance to take part in direction in regards to their number one groups. You can purchase fan tokens utilizing Chiliz tokens. Fans get extra pay through tokenization. Likewise, all groups that interface with the socios.com stage get a level of the commission charged for exchanges. The initial two groups tokenized on the stage were the Paris Holy Person Germain and Juventus football clubs. Then some more joined. West Ham joined together, Asociación Sportiva Roma, Club Atlético de Madrid, as well as the Agasports group. Ownership of interesting marked accomplice club fan tokens will likewise give fans admittance to selective substance, gamification, social associations, and competitor list includes that will be sent off during 2020. Chiliz is centered around genuine games as well as on virtual. The stage will turn into the foundation of the Worldwide Player Association, GPL. The GPL is a fan-driven, worldwide versatile esports association made for the present gaming and esports people group, fueled by the Chiliz token, CHC. Casting a ballot rights bot for tokens are executed utilizing brilliant agreements that permit direct collaboration between GPL groups and their fans. Chiliz, CHC, value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Chiliz is $0.14, and CHC is as of now position number 55 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Chiliz is 6,663,503,543 CHZ, with a market cap of $947,565,448.52. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0.0020 in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, CHC has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this manner expanding by 4.32%. Chiliz has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of CHC has expanded by 12.17%, adding an epic typical measure of 2 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now in the event that it keeps on developing. Chiliz value forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Chiliz costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Chiliz will be $0.159984. The greatest level that the CHZ cost can reach is $0.19998. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.169983. Likely return for capital invested, 66.7% by CHC value estimate for WAC 2023, in view of the value changes of Chiliz toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical CHC pace of $0.129987 in WAC 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.119988 and at $0.129987 individually. Likely return for capital invested, 8.3% by April 2023. Chiliz value gauge cryptographic money specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the CHZ cost in April 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0.129987, while the most extreme could reach $0.139986 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Chiliz may be around $0.139986. Likely return on initial capital investment, 16.7% by CHC value gauge for May 2023. Crypto experts have actually taken a look at the value variances of Chiliz in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal CHZ rate they foresee may be around $0.139986 in May 2023. It can drop to $0.129987 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $0.149985. Expected return for capital invested, 25% by June 2023. Chiliz value conjecture around mid-year 2023. The CHZ cost will be exchanged at $0.139986 by and large. June 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Chiliz worth to $0.149985. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.139986 in June 2023. Likely return on initial capital investment, 25% by CHZ value gauge for July 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Chiliz costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July 2023 $0.149985. The most reduced and top CHZ rates may be $0.139986 and $0.159984. Likely return on initial capital investment, 33.3% by August 2023. Chiliz value estimate. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the CHZ cost will be around $0.149985. In August 2023, the Chiliz cost might drop to at least $0.139986. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0.169983 in August 2023. Likely return for money invested, 41.7% by CHZ value gauge for September 2023. Having examined Chiliz costs, digital currency specialists expect that the CHZ rate could arrive at a limit of $0.169983 in September 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $0.149985. For September 2023, the estimated normal of Chiliz is almost $0.149985. Likely return for capital invested, 41.7% by October 2023. Chiliz value estimate. Around mid-2023, the Chiliz cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0.159984. Crypto examiners expect that in October 2023, the CHZ cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $0.149985 and $0.179982. Possible return for money invested, 50% by CHZ value conjecture for November 2023. Market specialists expect that in November 2023, the Chiliz worth won't dip under at least $0.159984. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is $0.189981. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0.159984. Expected return on initial capital investment, 58.3% by December 2023. Chiliz value conjecture. Cryptographic money specialists have painstakingly investigated the scope of CHZ costs all through 2023. For December 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Chiliz will be around $0.19998, with a chance of dropping to at least $0.159984. In December